Whenever you're an athlete, the goal is to shoot 1,000 shots a day. That's the Steph Curry, Larry Bird, everybody says 500 to 1,000 shots a day is gonna allow you to be a great shooter. It usually takes 5 to 6 hours to do that, to execute that. But with the shooting machine, you can do that within an hour.
The Grind machine is a portable, affordable, rebound basketball shooting machine. It collapses down to a duffel bag. It can fit in the trunk of your car. It can fit in a small closet. But then as it expands, it has a netting funnel that can capture made or missed shots and then rebounds it to you. You don't have to spend time chasing your rebounds, right? It decreases the amount of time that it takes to put up 1,000 shots.
Yeah, the prototype was ugly. We call it the ugly baby. The prototype, I went in my parents' garage. My friend Xavier, he was a welder, and he taught me how to weld in my parents' garage. And I just started with drawings and sketches. Got to the point where it was ugly, it was janky, but it kind of worked. And I found Elliot, my co-founder, and he was able to take my ugly baby, my proof of concept, and really transform it into something that thousands of people can use.
We worked on it, made it manufacturable, and obviously Solidworks helps to do that. My background in mechanical engineering allowed me to get introduced to Solidworks, and then industrial design, surfacing with Solidworks, all these things that kind of help the manufacturing happen for any product, right? So Solidworks, being the parametric software that it is, it's just so easy to go from literally sometimes chicken scratch on a napkin of an idea of saying, hey man, what if it looked like this? Or maybe a picture that you see on Instagram or Pinterest, bringing it in and sort of designing off of that in Solidworks makes it seamless to go from idea concept to, hey, we can quickly prototype this on a laser cutter, 3D print it, send it out to sample, and then convert it into a technical drawing to go straight into production if we can, right? So I think just having all that in one software is amazing.
I was a basketball player in high school. I was pretty good. Ended up tearing my ACL 4 times before graduating high school. Whenever I realized that I wasn't gonna play college ball or go to the NBA, I kind of switched my focus and towards the business. We host an underground basketball club for the community once a month. We run up and down, play 4-on-4, and we shoot around on the grind machine. So whenever kids walk in here and they see a 3D printer going off, they're like, hey, what is that doing? 99% of kids don't make it to the NBA, but if it doesn't work out in the future, what are you gonna do, right? It starts sparking that curiosity of like, what can I do with my career, right? We're focusing on the machine being the best basketball machine possible, and hopefully soon expanding into different sports and making an ecosystem of smart sports equipment under the Grind house.